Hello, welcome to Maths with Ish, brought to you by 1 Million Teachers. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve quadratic equation using the completing the square method. So let's go. Now this question says solve 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 using completing the square method. So solution 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now the first thing to do is to get rid of the coefficient of the first term by dividing 2 by 3. So I'm going to use this 3 to divide 2. If I do that, I'll have x squared minus 4 over 3x plus 1 over 3 equal to 0. So that's our first step. Recall, first step is just divide everything by the coefficient of the first term. That's our step 1. Now step 2 is I'm going to take this third term to the right hand side. So I'm having x squared minus 4 over 3x equal to minus 1 over 3. So this is the second step. Second step, take the third term to the right hand side. Now let's go to the third step. Now in my third step, I'm going to add minus b over 2 all squared. I'm going to add this to both sides. Now let me explain to you what minus b or what this b stands for. This b stands for the coefficient of x. You can see this is x. The coefficient of x here is minus 4 over 3. So minus b, sorry, not minus b, you're adding b over 2 to both sides. So now our b is minus 4 over 3. Now this minus 4 over 3 divided by 2 because I say b over 2. So if I divide it by 2, I'm going to what? Square it. So let's look at what's going to give us. If I work on this will give me minus 4 over 6 all squared. And if you simplify this further, that will give us 16 over 36. And if you also simplify this further by dividing 2 by 4, that will give you what? 4 over 9. So our b over 2 all squared, the value is what? Is 4 over 9. So this is what I'm going to add to both sides. So recall, our step 1 is you divide 2 by the coefficient of the first term. Our step 2 is take the third term to the right hand side. Our step 3 is you add b over 2 all squared to both sides. Now we have gotten the b over 2 as 4 over 9. So this is what I'm going to add to both sides. Okay? So let's do that now. So I'm adding 4 over 9 to both sides. So I'm having x squared minus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 equals to minus 1 over 3 plus 4 over 9. You can see I've added it to both sides. So let's go. Now when you add it to both sides, our step 4 is to make this side a perfect square. And how do you make it a perfect square? Take the square root of the first term. Square root of x squared is x. The sign that follows next, you add it. Take the square root of the last term. Square root of this 4 over 9 is 2 over 3. Square root of 4, 2. Square root of 9, 3. You group them together and square. Now let's work on this. The LCM is 9, 3 here, 3. So I'm having minus 3 plus 4. So I'm having x minus 2 over 3 all squared equal to, this will give me 1 over 9. Now my next step is I'm going to get rid of this square. So that will give me x minus 2 over 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 9. Remember that this is a quadratic equation, so we're going to have two values for x. That's why we're having our plus or minus. So, and we are having x equal to 2 over 3 plus or minus. Square root of this is 1 over 3. And from here, we can easily get our value for x. so that our x is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3, or x is equal to 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 over 3. So these are the two solutions to this quadratic equation using completing the square method. So let's just wrap everything up. In solving completing the square method, your step 1 is divide by the coefficient of the first term. Your step 2 is you take the third term to the right hand side. Your step 3 is to add b over 2 all squared to both sides. And your step 4 is to factorize the left hand side by making it a perfect square. And then you simplify the rest. So that's just what we've just done. So thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Have a great day.